Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 64 plate Volkswagen Touran Sport. This is the 2-litre Blue Motion TDI with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, and of course 7 seats. Finished in Nimbus grey metallic, and it's covered just 63,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very good looking, very low mileage Touran 7-seater 2-litre diesel. September 2014 registered. 2 owners from new. We've just acquired the car from a local gentleman who has been a workshop customer of ours for quite some time. He has just retired at the end of January, so congratulations to him, and no longer needs 2 cars on the drive. So they've got a newer vehicle which will suit them both. So this was now surplus to requirements, and he asked if we'd like to buy it, and of course 7-seater, the answer was absolutely. So it's covered just 63,000 miles, 2 owners from new, excellent service history, 7 recorded services right the way through its life. Not quite annually, but of course the mileage hasn't warranted that, but still a really good number of services. We've got a documented Cambelt Waterpump replacement in 2020 as well. This is the 2-litre TDI, 140 brake horsepower, £160 a year to tax, well over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Volkswagen. We've got these lovely 16-inch silver alloy wheels that are in excellent condition, as are all the wheel centre caps. Really nice looking car in that Nimbus grey. So it's a sport model, so it comes with a nice level of spec anyway, but it's got quite a few added options which I will run you through. So as we make our way into the interior, we've got a cloth and suede seating arrangement. The seats are in excellent condition. It's really not had a hard life, this car. It's certainly not been abused like you can find with some 7-seaters. All the seats are in lovely shape, door cards are in good condition, not been kicked to pieces. Really nice example. Remote central locking, it comes supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. You've got Touran on the kick plates there. It's got some lovely, if I can show you, it's got some lovely Volkswagen rubber mats which run right the way throughout the car. Automatic lights. There's your mileage, 63565 as it sits with us. Steering wheel's in lovely shape. You've got controls for your trip computer. You've got your radio controls. Over the back there you've got cruise control. Down below we've got a centre armrest. This lifts up to give you some storage, and you've also got an auxiliary input, a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox. Down below we've got a bit of storage. We've got a 12-volt socket, and we've also got start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. You've got park assist, and you've got front and rear parking sensors which you can switch off as well. It's also got a reversing camera which I will come to shortly. All your handbooks in the glove box, and if I start the car up, away we go. It's got that very well recognised 2-litre Volkswagen engine, so you know exactly how they sound. And then up above we've got heated seats in the front, which is a nice touch. We've got 3 different heating options on those. We've got dual zone climate control. Down below we've got FM and AM radio, we've got Bluetooth for your telephone. And if I put the car into reverse, like I say, not only have we got front and rear parking sensors, we've also got a nice camera and a parking pilot at the back as well. CD player at the top. And this model also has an electric panoramic roof. So it's got dual roof, so it goes right the way towards the back of the car. Big open, obviously it's got the cover over it at the minute, which is electronically removable. So nice big skylight. Got the wind deflectors at the top. Into the back. Again, lovely and tidy. It's got its original rubber mats. We've got fold down picnic tables, electric windows in the rear. Obviously you've got 3 seat belts to 3 proper headrests in this row with the ISOFIX. And then it's got an extra 2 seats behind. Again, door cards in really good shape. There's another 12-volt socket in the back there. Does come with tow bar with electrics, but it looks like it's had very little use to me. And then into the load space, Obviously this is when it's in its 5-seat form, you've got a massive load space. Again, you've got that rubber load cover, but the condition's lovely. Really not been hammered at all, which can happen on cars of this nature, but really clean and tidy across the back. Underneath, the carpet's all good. So that's your 2 extra seats. They're in really good condition as well. Underneath you've got your cargo net and some storage, locking wheel nut, key, all present. So there we have it. Quite hard to find these days, low mileage 7-seaters, especially in the Volkswagen form. Touran Sport, 2-litre TDI, September 2014 registered, 63,000 miles, 7 services including a Cambelt, loads of spec including the reversing camera, glass pan roof, and cruise control and so on, all the nice bits. Finance is of course available. There is a finance calculator on our website where you can have a play with some figures, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, and 2 remote keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. We've had plenty of interest in this car before it's even gone live for sale, so I think you'll have to be quick off the mark on this one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next.